Shri Guru Charana Sarojaraja Nijamana Mukhura Sudhari Baranau Raghubhara Vimala Yasha Jodayaka Bhalachari. Let us try to understand the meaning of the doha. What does it say? Shri Guru Charana Saroja Raja. What is Guru Charana? Guru's feet. I clean the mirror of my mind with the dust of the Guru's feet and describe the pure glory of Lord Hanuman. And who is Lord Hanuman? He is the greatest devotee of Lord Rama. And he bestows our life